They're stuck.
That's what they were doing.
Hold on.
And they'd get to this spot and they would just run out of steam. Their wheels would start spinning.
They are stuck. Their wheels are both spinning. This is insane. They've been doing this for like 10 minutes. The second one just came. This dude's been sliding backwards.
The second one's oh, he's turning.
Oh gosh. He's going.
You better not go in our driveway.
He's past our driveway. He's getting it. Okay.
He really turned sideways, that second one.
Oh gosh, they are very stuck. This is crazy. Look at that. His wheels are spinning so fast. Oh, they're legit stuck. Bulldozers. We gotta. Holy crap. This is insane.
Sorry, we need some entertainment.